Ooh. Say that was rotten. Yikes. Not much left of that beam. Alright, so I'm going to jack this up, put some supports under it, clean out all this wood, and not sure what more I can do today because I got the truck loaded with the shingles from yesterday, so I can't get the beams. The dump's not open today, so I may have to just table this until tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, making progress. Well, as I jacked up the building, this happened. The floor has separated from the wall, so I may need to replace the floor. Oh well. I'm going to try to save these boards, reuse them. They're in pretty good shape, nice and old. That didn't work that well. So it's day 3. It really wasn't a full day today. Had to get all that stuff to the dump. Then I went to the lumber yard, ran a couple errands, so I really didn't get started until the afternoon. But I did get the rotten wood taken care of here. I got that rotten beam out. I think I cut all the nails out. A neighbor and friend nice enough to loan me a Sawzall, and these things, this one's a beast. Porter cable, been for $9,000. I think I'm ready to start putting it back together. The first thing I'm going to do is replace that 2x4 that was running. It's like a sill plate, was running along that side. I think I've cut all the nails off of it, so I'm going to cut it the same length as the one on here, so they match. I'm not going to try to measure that. I'll just measure the one on the right hand side here, and then cut that to like I'm going to use one of the older 2x4s I took out of here because that's going to be visible, and I don't want to use a brand new one. That would look kind of weird. So that's it. Calling it a day. It's Friday. It's 4:15. Been working on it this afternoon for a few hours, not all that long. Managed to get a 2x6 pressure treated sistered against the other 2x6, and it's supported on bricks and concrete block on both sides. So I'm going to continue to do that with these other ones, and then support. The end is going to be a little tricky, but I want to get the middle ones done first so I can support the building while I work on the end pieces. What's incredible I put the level on it both ways, and it's actually level. Like, how did that happen? Better be lucky than good, right? Well, continuing the this old shed project. And that was part 2, 3. Doing it in bits and starts here. I haven't been working on a full day. Half day yesterday, a few hours yesterday, a few hours today. Just want to bring you up to date. I've got all the pressure treated lumber under there. It is actually pretty level. As level as it's going to be. I got the other side. So this is what I spent the morning doing. So I ran these out. They're on top of 4x4, a 4x4, which is on top of concrete blocks. I'm going to put some more under there to shore that up a bit. But it seems pretty solid. And what I'm going to do here is sister on some 2x6s. I'm going to cut 8-footers. I got some 8-footers. I'm going to cut them in half and sister those onto these, those floor joists there. And that'll save some lumber. I was going to go out 6 feet. I decided to go out 4 feet. That'll give an 8-foot roof line, and that's going to be enough. The metal roofing comes in 8-foot sections. It also comes in 10-foot sections, which I had considered doing, but I just think it would be out of kind of out of whack. I don't think it would look all that great. It would be what's the word I'm looking for? Disproportional. Yes. So the floor. Let's see. I haven't stepped on the floor. Oh my goodness, that floor is solid. I could drive a car in here. Well, it'd have to be a really small car because it's a small door. So I've had people say to me in the past when I'm doing these videos and doing projects, Neil, do you ever get tired of stopping and shooting the video? Because it does take some time. We've got to set up the camera, tripod, take different shots, time-lapsing or hyper-lapsing, slow motion. So all those things take some time, and it takes time away from the project. So the answer is yes. There are days that I just want to get the job done, and you never see those videos because they never get shot. This morning is one of those days. It's like, you know what, damn it, I just want to get this done. So I didn't get any video of jacking up and leveling. It's kind of mundane stuff and crawling on the ground. Not a lot of fun, but hopefully we'll get it all kind of buttoned up today. Not done, certainly. I've got roof work and I got a floor, a lot of things to do, but making progress. Happy with it. Talk to you later. Good evening, or whenever you're watching this. It's evening for me, and it's quitting time. Got a lot done. Putting stuff back together. As you can see, I got the little bump out here all done. I got the 2x6s there, and I sistered these 4-footers onto the other ones, and they're resting on the 4x4. So that's not all nailed in yet, and I've got to put some supports into there, but pretty much ready to go. This side is all done too. This actually came out pretty good. Happy with that. I got 4x4 all level, and I put the end piece 2x6 right there. So that's all sealed up. I also replaced the rotten beam on the end here, so that's all good as well. So yeah, it's pretty good. It may not be 100% square. I think it's off a little bit, but it really doesn't matter. I can adjust for that in the end. And again, it's this old shed, not the Taj Mahal. So making good progress. Try to get to it tomorrow. I'm going to cook dinner and probably go out boating. Need to have some R&R.